Welcome back, Cars Info. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury with the highly anticipated 2024 Cadillac Celestiq. Buckle up as we explore the groundbreaking features and design that make this vehicle a true icon in the making. The Cadillac Celestiq represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation, pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this flagship sedan embodies elegance, performance, and advanced technology, setting new standards in the luxury segment. At first glance, the Cadillac Celestiq captivates with its striking presence. Sculpted lines, a sleek profile, and aerodynamic curves create a sense of dynamic motion even when the vehicle is at rest. The bold front grille, adorned with the iconic Cadillac emblem, commands attention, while the seamless integration of LED lighting elements adds a touch of modern sophistication. Every aspect of the exterior design is meticulously crafted to exude luxury and refinement. Step inside the Celestiq, and you're greeted by a world of opulence and comfort. Premium materials, including handcrafted leather and exotic wood trims, adorn every surface, creating an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury. The spacious cabin offers ample room for passengers to relax and unwind, while advanced features such as ambient lighting and customizable seating ensure a truly personalized driving experience. From the meticulously stitched upholstery to the precision-engineered controls, every detail reflects Cadillac's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a powerhouse of performance and cutting-edge technology. The Celestiq is equipped with an advanced electric drivetrain that delivers exhilarating acceleration and seamless power delivery. With multiple electric motors driving each wheel independently, the Celestiq offers unparalleled traction and control, making every journey a thrilling experience. Additionally, Cadillac's latest suite of driver assistance features, including advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities, ensures safety and peace of mind on the road. From the innovative infotainment system to the state-of-the-art connectivity options, the Celestiq is at the forefront of automotive technology, keeping you connected and entertained wherever you go. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac Celestiq represents the future of luxury automotive design and innovation. With its breathtaking design, opulent interior, and cutting-edge technology, it sets a new standard for what a luxury sedan can be. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or embarking on a long-distance journey, the Celestiq offers an unparalleled driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of automotive excellence. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest innovations and developments in the world of cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.